When you look for robotic lawn mowers, everything seems to blend together. Same features, same claims, same flashy photos. But the real differences, what actually works and what just looks good, are buried deeper. Let's cut through the noise and find the best options for your lawn. Product number 1. Ecovacs Goat A2000 LiDAR Pro. The Ecovacs Goat A2000 LiDAR Pro is a premium robotic lawnmower priced at $1,999.99. What caught my attention is its advanced dually DAR navigation system, which promises precise mapping without the hassle of perimeter wires. If you want a cutting-edge solution for lawn maintenance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wire-free design means you can say goodbye to tangled wires and complicated setups. The 50-minute battery life may sound short, but it recharges in just 50 minutes, meaning less waiting time. The integrated True Edge trimmer is a game-changer, trimming edges along your driveway and garden beds to give you that clean, polished look without extra work. Plus, with over 121 reviews averaging 4 stars, it's clear this model has made an impression. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep for a lawnmower. Here's the thing though, while it's an investment, the technology and convenience you get can truly save you time and effort in the long run. If you value a well-maintained lawn with minimal hassle, it's worth considering. This is perfect for you if you have a complex yard that needs precise care. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, as it's definitely on the higher end. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more affordable, yet still effective. Product number 2, Ecovacs Goat O1000 RTK Care Kit. Next up is the Ecovacs Goat O1000 RTK Care Kit, priced at $999.99. I was impressed by its RTK precision navigation, which delivers centimeter-level accuracy without needing perimeter wires. If you want a reliable mower that covers every inch of your lawn, this is a great pick. Here's why this matters for you. The O1000's battery life is 90 minutes, which is a significant upgrade for those with larger spaces. The inclusion of 36 extra blades means you won't have to worry about maintenance costs adding up anytime soon. With smart auto mapping, it scans your yard, allowing for multiple zones to be managed easily, making your mowing schedule as convenient as possible. It's received positive feedback with a 4.1 star rating from nearly 100 reviews, showing it's held up well in real-world use. Now, some users mentioned that setup could be a bit tricky for first-timers. But I'll be real with you. Once you get the hang of the app, the automation makes everything so much easier. It's a minor hurdle for a mower that takes care of itself. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized yard and want to optimize your mowing routine. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight, as it's still a solid unit. Overall, it offers great value for its price. Now, if the O1000's complexity worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach with simplicity in mind. Product number 3, Segway Navimo i110N. The Segway Navimo i110N is next on our list, priced at $1,099. What stood out to me about this model is its AI-assisted mapping and obstacle avoidance features. If you want a mower that adapts to your lawn's unique layout, this one is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. The Navimo uses advanced RTK positioning combined with vision sensors, which means it can navigate around obstacles and tricky terrain effortlessly. It has a quiet operation at just 58 dB, so you can mow without disturbing the neighbors. Plus, it can identify over 150 types of obstacles, ensuring that it doesn't get stuck or damaged while doing its job. With an impressive rating of 3.9 stars from nearly 500 reviews, many users appreciate its efficiency. However, some users did note that the app could be a bit glitchy at times. Here's the thing though, the mowing performance is so reliable that it's usually worth the occasional app hiccup. If you're looking for performance over perfection, this mower checks a lot of boxes. This is perfect for you if you have a complex lawn layout with various obstacles. Skip this one if you need a budget-friendly option, as it sits in the mid-range price bracket. Overall, the Navimo offers a high-tech solution that's impressive for its price. Alright, that was another great choice. But if you're looking for something that's easy to manage and still delivers, the next mower might catch your interest. Product number 4, Anthbot M5. Now we have the Anthbot M5, priced at a very appealing $785. What caught my eye here is its dual vision system that promises accurate mowing without needing perimeter wires. If you want something simple yet effective for a smaller yard, consider this one. Here's why this matters for you. The M5 can handle slopes up to 45%, which means it's perfect for uneven lawns and hilly areas. It also supports multiple zones, allowing you to customize mowing paths, which is especially handy for complex lawn shapes. With a 4.2-star rating from over 360 users, it's clear this mower has made quite an impact. Now, some users reported that it doesn't perform as well in heavy rain. But honestly, that's a common drawback for many robotic mowers. If you live in a rainy area, you might want to consider bringing it inside during storms, but that's a small trade-off for such solid performance. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller yard and want to save time on lawn maintenance. Skip this one if you have a larger area or need something for rougher terrain. Overall, it offers a great value, especially for its features. Now, if you're looking for something that combines power and tech, the final product on my list will blow you away. Product number 5, Ecovacs Goat AE3000 LiDAR Pro. Last up is the Ecovacs Goat AE3000 LiDAR Pro, priced around $1,999.99. It's hard to miss with its dual EDR navigation system and built-in edge trimming. If you have a larger lawn and want precision cutting, you're going to want to hear more about this. Here's why this matters for you. The AE3000 can handle yards up to 3/4 of an acre, making it ideal for big spaces. With a cutting width of nearly 13 inches, it can cover more ground quickly. The 7,500 mAh battery provides a longer runtime and quick 189W charging, which means less waiting between mowing. Plus, its integrated edge trimmer means fewer manual touch-ups for you. It holds a solid 4-star rating from 115 reviews, showcasing its reliability. However, some users mentioned it can be noisy compared to others on the list. But here's the thing. If you're mowing a large area, a little noise might not be a deal breaker for you. It gets the job done efficiently and effectively. This is perfect for you if you have a large or complex yard that requires detailed care. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as it's definitely an investment. Overall, it offers excellent features that justify the price for those serious about lawn maintenance. So, to wrap it up, we've seen a range of robotic lawn mowers, from the high-tech Ecovacs Goat, the 2000 to the budget-friendly Anthbot M5. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's advanced navigation, multiple zone management, or ease of use. Whichever you choose, you're stepping into a new world of lawn care that frees up your time and keeps your yard looking great.